What's poppin' gang? In today's video, we'll be looking at a list of the top 10 highest paying jobs in the world. Let's get straight to it. At number 10, we have a Chief Executive Officer with yearly income reaching $192,000, also known as the CEO. This is an employee that's found at the top of the employee pyramid of any company. Their job is to create and implement the strategy of the company, lead the company's executive employees, as well as to ensure that the right funds are used for the right things. The more successful a company is, the more the CEO is bound to put into his pocket. At number 9, we have internists, capable of making $196,000 in a year. These are medical specialists in internal diseases, using internal medicine. Their job is to prevent, diagnose, as well as treat internal diseases. Examples of internal diseases include tuberculosis, cancer, diabetes, and the list goes on. Like most careers, experience translates to a better chance of making more money, whereas rookies have to settle for the average startup. At number 8, we have physicians, with a yearly income reaching $214,000, also known as a medical practitioner, medical doctor, or just doctor. This job is focused on promoting, maintaining, or restoring health through the study, diagnosis, prognosis, and treatment of disease, injury, and other physical and mental issues. At number 7, we have psychiatrists, with yearly income reaching $220,000. These are medical practitioners that are responsible for the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of mental, emotional, and behavioral disorders. Patients that seek this type of help may suffer from the likes of schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, psychosis, depression, etc. At number 6, we have orthodontists, making up to $230,000 a year. These are dentists who are professionals in diagnosing, preventing, as well as treating teeth and jaw irregularities. They fix existing issues within a patient's mouth and are able to predict issues that might come in the future. At number 5, we have oral and maxillofacial surgeons, with annual income reaching $132,000. These types of surgeons are responsible for your favorite celebrities' plastic surgery. Their job is to perform reconstructive surgery on faces, coming in handy during facial trauma surgery as well as surgery for the head and neck, mouth, and also jaws. At number 4, we have gynecologists, making up to $234,000 per year. These are specialist doctors that deal with issues related specifically to the female reproductive tract. This includes the uterus, fallopian tubes, ovaries, and breasts. Like the other doctors on this list, gynecologists are responsible for treatment and diagnosis. At number 3, we have anesthesiologists, pocketing up to $386,000 a year. These are medical doctors whose job is to administer anesthesia, the medical treatment that keeps you from feeling pain during procedures or surgery. These doctors take care of you before, during, as well as after your surgery. At number 2, we have surgeons, making up to $409,000 per year. These doctors specialize in evaluating and treating conditions that may require surgery or physically changing the human body. Surgery can be performed to treat or diagnose disease or even injury. In what is called an operating room, surgeons lead a team of other doctors and nurses to ensure all procedures run smoothly. And finally, at number 1, we have neurosurgeons, capable of pocketing $609,000 in a year. Like the other doctors on the list, neurosurgeons are also required to treat, prevent, and diagnose, but this time the focus is on issues of the brain, spine, as well as the body's nervous system as a whole. As much as this type of doctor is trained to perform surgery on the nervous system, surgery is not always required, as non-surgical treatment can also be provided. That brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for making it this far. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, cause there's a new video on our channel every Sunday. Till next time, peace out.